Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I use multiple Instagram accounts to auto like and comment to via reel on Insta. So this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. The function will help you to add and manage a limited Instagram account. So I can choose the account that you want and select and log into each account. So you can see this. So you can see the software auto log into each account like this. Okay, to auto like and comment to via reel on Instagram, I will go to viral marketing. So you can see I have many options in here like post article, post via reel, interact with via reel. Seeding post it means you auto like, auto comment to a post that you want, or comment by hashtag, or share this post, or follow or unfollow. So I will choose interact via reel. So I will set up the configuration. You can interact with the via reel link or watch reel normally. So I will set out number of tracks. Number of tracks is mean number of account running in the same time, or interact is in between two times is mean break interval time. I will set up the time watch reel from 10 to 20 seconds. You can interact with reel like follow account, like post or tag your friend, or you can comment to the article. You can enter the comment like this. Each comment is a line. Next, I will select the account that I want to auto line and comment to via reel. Okay, after everything set up, I press start and let software do the work. So you can see the software auto open the browser like this, and we'll go to the link that I entered to the software, and we'll auto line and comment to the via reel. Okay, so basically I just use multiple Instagram account to auto line comment to your reel on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me to my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.